Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can buy USDT on the Changelly application. So first, you just have to open your Changelly account and then just log into your account. And then from here on the main screen, you just have to click on this trade button at the bottom. So once you tap on that, it will show you this pop-up on the screen, and then you just have to go to the buy section. And from here, you just have to um, type here the amount of the USDT that you want to buy. So let's say, for example, we're going to buy 50. And then once you're done with that, you just have to tap on this one. So we're going to change it to USDT since we're going to buy USDT. So you can also search from the search bar, the USDT, and then tap on this one. So here, then once you're done with that, you just have to tap on next step. So click on that one. And from here, you will be asked to provide the destination address. So you just have to go to any platform and go to the USDT and then tap on the receive button and then copy the wallet address. And then you just have to paste it in here. Then once you're done with that, you will see here the processing fee, the exchange rate, and the amount that you're going to send. So here is the amount that you're going to get. And you just have to tap on confirm at the very bottom so that you can confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!